Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Codat Business Data API Review My Usage Experience. Codat Business Data API Review My Usage Experience offers a way for developers to access and integrate financial data from various accounting platforms into their applications. It's primarily targeted at developers and businesses building financial applications or needing to automate data workflows. Key features include data aggregation from multiple sources and a standardized API for easy integration. Their website provides details on their various API endpoints and documentation. Codat boasts a straightforward pricing structure, although specifics are found on their website. They highlight ease of integration through well-documented APIs and claim robust data security. Availability is global, but specific regional support may vary. The focus is on the power and flexibility of their unified API, allowing developers to avoid dealing with the individual APIs of different accounting software. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Codat Business Data API Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The documentation was clear and well-organized, guiding me through the authentication process and setting up my first connection to Xero, my accounting software. Navigating the API was intuitive. The examples provided were very helpful in understanding how to structure my requests and interpret the JSON responses. I was able to pull in transaction data, invoice information, and customer details with minimal effort. The performance was excellent. Data retrieval was consistently fast and reliable. I had a quick question about handling error codes, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a clear and helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how well structured the API was and the comprehensive documentation. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to connect to multiple accounting platforms using a single API. One minor drawback was the learning curve associated with understanding the nuances of the API's various endpoints. It took me a little while to get used to the more advanced features like custom reporting. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Codat. It's a powerful tool that significantly simplified my data integration process. That's my overview of Codat Business Data API Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.